Distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property is used to change multiplication problems you don't know into numbers you do know. The definition of distributive property of multiplication is a multiplication fact can be broken apart into the sum of two other multiplication facts. Part of distributive property of multiplication uses addition. Remember, 8 is the same thing as 4 plus 4, 6 plus 2, or 7 plus 1. Next, you need to know what parentheses mean. Parentheses mean do it first. If you have a multiplication equation of 8 times 4, but you don't know how to solve the problem with 8 as a multiple, here's how you can solve the problem using distributive property. I like to remember distributive property as one number stays the same and the other number splits. When possible, it is good to choose numbers that have patterns. Pause the video for a moment and take a look at the numbers that have a pattern associated with them. Here we have an array that represents 8 times 4. There are 8 rows and 4 columns. Remember that rows go across. Columns go down. We have the original array of 8 times 4. Let's make two new arrays. We have an array of 5 times 4 plus an array of 3 times 4. Remember, one number stays the same and the other number splits. The total is unchanged. As you can see, the 4 did not change. It is the same number in the second place of the equation. The other number splits. 5 plus 3 equals 8. The other two numbers must equal the sum of the other factor. Let's look at another array of 6 times 7. You do not always have to choose numbers that have the pattern. In this case, we are keeping 6 the same, and we are going to split the number 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 and 3 total the sum of the other factor. Now let's try to find the original array if we are given the distributive property. When trying to find the original multiplication sentence, look to see what the other two have in common. Notice there is a 3 in both of the equations. The 3 is the second number in both of the equations, so we will put 3 as the second number in the first equation. The remaining numbers are 5 and 4. Remember, the other numbers must total the sum of the other factor. 5 plus 4 is 9. Remember, the other two numbers must total the sum. 5 plus 4 equals 9. We write 9 in the first place, making our equation 9 times 3. Remember distributive property as one number stays the same and the other number splits.
Hey y'all, have a good day, my little sugar cubes.